and welcome to another episode of Literacy with Miss Lee and Moby. In today's lesson, we're going to learn how to spell that final cl sound that you hear. There are two ways to spell that final cl sound. You can spell it C-L-E or C-A-L. So let me write those down. These are the two ways you can spell that final cl sound. But before we start, I need to make sure that you guys remember two things. Can you tell me what is a noun? Good. A noun is a person, a place, or a thing. How about an adjective? Can you remember what an adjective is? So an adjective is a descriptive word. Usually describes a noun. So, with that, if a word is a noun and you hear that final cl sound, you're going to spell it with a C-L-E. So I'm going to write noun on the bottoms just so we can remember. If the word is an adjective, you guessed it, you would write it with a C-L-A if it has that final cl sound. So let's put the spelling rule to a test. I am thinking of a shape, a flat shape. And this shape does not have any sides and does not have vertices. Can you tell me what the shape is? Good, it's a circle. Say circle. Circle. Do you hear that final cl sound at the end of the word circle? Now let's think about it. Is circle a noun or is the word circle an adjective? So circle is a noun. And we know that if it ends in that final cl sound and the word is a noun, that final cl sound is spelled C-L-E. So let's write the word circle. Circle. Good. Now let's think of another one. Ooh, I'm thinking of the word musical. Say musical. Do you hear that final cl sound in musical? Good. So is musical a noun or is musical an adjective? Yes, musical is a noun. So let me go ahead and put it, oh, I'm sorry, it's not a noun, it's an adjective. I don't know what I was thinking. Okay, so if it's an adjective and you hear that final cl sound, it is spelled C-A-L. So let's spell the word musical. Music. Musical. Good job. Let's try two more. I'm feeling colorful today, so we're changing colors. Let me think. Ooh, how about the word particle? Say particle. Particle. Do you hear that cl sound at the end? Now, is particle a noun or is particle an adjective? Particle is a noun. So, because it's a noun and the final cl sound is at the end of the noun, the word, we would spell it C-L-E. So, let's spell the word particle. Particle. Good. And last one. Let's think of a word. Let me think. I had a good one, but I forgot it. Oh, classical. Say classical. Good. Do you hear that cool sound at the end? Classical. I hear that. So, next question. Is classical a noun or is classical an adjective? What do you guys think? It is an adjective. So let's spell the word classical. Ooh, class. Do you guys remember that floss rule? Because here's my short vowel and it ends in an S, so I'm gonna double that S. Class. Classical. So, to sum up, let's remember, if a word ends in that cl sound, you have to look at the word and think, okay, is this word a noun or is this word an adjective? And if it is a noun, you will spell it C-L-E. But if it's an adjective, you will spell it C-A-L. Okay? So just remember, C-L-E if it's a noun, C-A-L if it's an adjective. And that, boys and girls, is your spelling lesson of the week. So I hope you've learned something and you enjoyed. And I will see you next week. Bye.